Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students of 10th class, yesterday we have concluded the chapter of history. The name of the chapter was print culture, and today we will learn another chapter of the subject political science. Our topic is political parties. Dear students, you all know that a state or a country is governed in a democratic way by the parties, and the party who wins the election gets the majority of seats. The said party in the state or in the center makes the government. We have different parties. Let's first know what is a political party. A political party is a group of people who have same ideology and come close to each other so that they can contest elections and win over the majority to make the government. So dear students, پولیٹیکل پارٹی یہ ایک ایسی جماعت ہوتی ہے جس جماعت کے اندر بہت سارے لوگ ہوتے ہیں جن کا ایک ہی نظریہ ہو، جن کا ایک ہی ویژن ہو، جن کا ایک ہی طریقہ کار ہو، جو ایک قسم کا نظام چاہتے ہیں. جب دوسرے لوگ بھی اس کی تائید کرتے ہیں، وہی نظریہ رکھتے ہیں، تو یہ سب مل کر ایک جماعت بناتے ہیں جس کو ہم پولیٹیکل سائنس میں پولیٹیکل پارٹی کہتے ہیں. یہ پولیٹیکل پارٹی کے جو کارکن ہوتے ہیں، زعما جو ہوتے ہیں، لوگ جو ہوتے ہیں، ان کا ایک ہی نظریہ ہوتا ہے. ایک نظریہ کے اندر وہ ایک ایجنڈا بناتے ہیں، ایک اوپینین رکھتے ہیں. وہ پبلک کے پاس جاتے ہیں اپنا وہ ایجنڈا لے کر، اپنی اوپینین لے کر، اپنا نظریہ لے کر، اور لوگوں کا سپورٹ حاصل کرنے کے لیے ان تک وہ اپنی آواز پہنچاتے ہیں، اپنا مقصد پہنچاتے ہیں. اور جب پھر الیکشن کا وقت آتا ہے، اگر یہ پارٹی انتخابات میں اچھی خاصی سیٹیں، نصف سے زیادہ سیٹیں حاصل کرتی ہے، تو وہ پارٹی گورنمنٹ بناتی ہے، اور پھر وہ جو ان کا ایجنڈا ہوتا ہے، اس ایجنڈے کے تحت وہ لوگوں کے معاملات حل کرتے ہیں. تو اس لیے کہا جاتا ہے کہ اے پولیٹیکل پارٹی از اے گروپ آف پیپل who have same ideology and come close to each other so that they can contest elections and win over the majority to make the government. This is, my dear students, this is the concept of political parties. Now let us see how many parties we have in our region as well as in our country. Since we belong to the state of J&K, let's first start from our this state. We have some parties which are known as the regional parties, and similarly we have some parties which are known as the national parties. Let's first know the name of regional parties. Since, my dear students, you know that when the elections occur, you see your you are still small chaps, and you might have not the full this concept of these elections or these political parties. Still, you might have seen the campaigns, the jalsas, the gatherings, the voting process. We have given you the concept of this concept. We have given you the concept of these elections or the parties when you choose the secretary of your school, when you choose the monitor of your school. We introduce you. We show you how to choose our secretary, how to choose our monitor. Same is the case of these political parties. Similarly, the political leaders are chosen. So you have seen at the time of elections, you have seen the big gatherings of different political parties. In our region, we have the oldest party, that is the National Conference. It is the oldest party. It has ruled the state more than the half of century. 50 سال سے زیادہ تک انہوں نے یہاں پر یہ حکومت کی ہے. اسٹرانگیسٹ یہ ریجنل پارٹی ہے. Similarly, we have some other parties, these regional parties, like PDP ہے, People's Democratic Party. Similarly, we have Awami Ittihad Party. Similarly, we have People's Conference. These are the regional parties. Then we have the national parties, like this National Conference has governed the state for more than 50 years. Similarly, we have the national party, Indian National Congress, who has governed the whole India for more than 50 years. So this Indian National Congress is the national party. Similarly, we have Bharatiya Janata Party. It is a national party because its members contest election throughout the country, like the Indian National Congress. Similarly, we have the Communist Party of India. Communist Party Marxist hai. We have the Janata Dal, and there are some little parties as well and some big parties as well. Every party has its own agenda. Every party has its own this style of government. Every party performs its agenda in the field to win the elections, to win the confidence of the people, so that it will govern the state or the country. So, dear students, I gave you the concept of a political party. Then we discussed the regional parties and the national parties. The regional parties, which when win the election, they govern the region, govern the state, and the national parties, if they win the election, they became the representatives. They made the government in the center and becomes the national party. Like as today you see, we have the Bharatiya Janata Party. Its government is in the center. So we have these regional parties and national parties. My dear students, let us go ahead tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you very much.